Hey everybody, Barry here again. By now, most of you already know that I blew up the Turbo LS Caravan 2 days before the burnout competition, and I'm not even upset. I'm building another engine, and it's going in. So just as a little bit of a backstory, so I don't look like a complete idiot, which, well, I do. I don't really care. When I got this engine, it had a little bit of noise in it. I thought, hey, maybe it was lifter or something like that, whatever. So I threw my Gen 3 5.3 crank in it with the Gen 4 rods, bearings, everything was all used. It's been done lots of times, but you win some, you lose some. So anyway, I put it together, put it in, got the engine running on the stand, and I said, it's got a little bit of a noise. I thought, hey, maybe it's the lifter's pumping up, whatever, rings need to be seated, something. Anyway, so it turned out to be a little bit more than that. On my first drive on the live, it seemed to run awesome, but I was either idling or really pushing it just to get data. And I found that on the way home after the live stream on YouTube, I just touched the throttle and it would go krr, 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 and it had kind of a weird rattle to it. So it progressively got worse. But today, this is Thursday, on my lunch break, I said I'll go up the highway 4 or 5 kilometers just to get some more data to make sure it's going to be good for the 50 or 60 kilometer drive to Bishop's this weekend. And I wasn't pushing it. I probably got 50% throttle, 3 pounds of boost on the log. And on the way back, it really got worse. And that's where this video starts now. Saturday, and it's dinner time on Thursday. Not a good time. And I'm gonna blow it up in the parking lot. I didn't really expect this. Yeah, that's a bad time. Everything just caught fire. Yes. Sweet. Well, I'm not sure what it did, but I think it might have put a rod through somewhere. I can't really see. Oh, nothing big. Well, let's check out the carnage. Oh. Oh yeah, she's buried. Oh, there's a hole in the block. Oh yeah. Hey, it didn't hit the pan. Sick. Pan is good. Oh, I wish I did this at the racetrack. I think that pan's still on fire inside, actually. There's something going on in there. Oh, sweet.
You got a long,
I got a long night.
2 nights in a day.
What's tomorrow, Friday?
Yeah.
I got lunch stuff.
What do you got there now? Changer?
Yeah, I got another engine home I'll put in it. Well, here's a piece of rod.
Holy jumping.
Hey,
20 feet back. Is there more? Oh, there's another piece. Oh, that got chewed up. Oh, man. Oh, man. That's the block. That's the... There's a zip tie there. That's what was holding the rod together. I guess the zip tie bust. Oh, man. I'd say there's more out here.
more down the road. Hey, get the wristband.
That's the wristband. How do I get my car? Oh man, she let go.
Where'd you let go?
Oh, I'm so glad I got that on camera.
Yeah.
Up by the forestry station, it started knocking like bad, putting smoke out. It was like, this ain't good. And it was like, put it to, I had it to the floor in 3rd gear doing like 90, coming down through town just like the train. Oh man, that's hot. Oh, I'm leaving that there. Over there, so I can close that. Well, Jared,
That's wicked.
that's wicked.
Yeah.
I enjoy that. I just wish it happened on Saturday, not Thursday.
My mother to do that too.
That's a 5.3 in that, isn't it? Pull it out. Oh, is it that? Actually, the V6 would probably last me.
Probably would, yeah.
I don't know what that yellow is, but then look at the pieces.
Everywhere along.
Oh man, that's wild.
It's not even.
That's not even funny. Yeah. Oh, Cass doesn't. Cass just drove by. She doesn't know about this yet. She's gonna hang me. Oh, fun.
Well, I don't get back to eat
Still smoking. Thanks for the assist, Jared.
No worries.
No oil on the windshield.
Jumped into my truck.
Oh.
Ran.
Oh, that's a lot of oil.
couple hours, you'll have that out.
Nothing to it. Well, I made it so all the bolts, I just undo the bolts here and everything drops down out of it, so.
Okay, well,
I thought I was gonna be able to relax tonight. No. This is what I get for using Life brand bandages. It didn't work at all. I'm not even a little tiny bit upset. Not even a little bit. That's the best carnage that I've ever had in an engine. Ever. And I've blown up like 4 or 5 something 5.3s now, and I've always had, you know, like a ring line crack. That's sissy stuff. That's annoying. I want to go back. I want to do it so you can't go back. And by the look of all the oil on the windshield and down in there, and the fact that it had about a 4-foot flame come up out of the windshield, up the front of the windshield, this ain't going back. And there's 2 holes in the block. I haven't looked behind the starter yet, so there could be 3 holes in the block. And there's rods and pistons pieces for like 500 feet back there. So this is perfect. But I will 100% be at the burnout competition. I don't care if I got to put a 4-cylinder in it. I don't care. I will be there in this van doing burnouts. And yeah, it's a lot to look forward to. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day.